Let's see how we can use the OpenAI API with Python to interact with the GPT-5 model. So let's first head to the OpenAI API website, which is this one, and copy this first code you see on the screen. So we can just copy this. Now let's head to Visual Studio and paste it into Python file. We can just paste it here, and I already have it installed here, but first you need to make sure to install the OpenAI module using one of these commands in your terminal to install it. And you might also need to run this command to upgrade the module if you haven't in a while. Then we're pretty much all set, so we just need to grab the OpenAI API key by going to the website again, and then instead of docs here, you want to go to the dashboard here, and then you want to head to the API keys here, and then you can click create new secret key here, and then we can call it my key, for example, and give it all permissions. So create secret key here. So the API key is generated now, so you want to make sure to copy it and then click done. Now let's go back to the code, and all you want to do is add the API key here like this. And here the input is write a short bedtime story about a unicorn, and then here is just printing the output, right? So now let's run the code, and this might take a few seconds. And there you go. So now you can see the whole story here, generated by GPT-5. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you learned something new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.